Today we are going to discuss about screw gauge and its applications. Screw gauge. What is the main difference between vernier calipers and screw gauge? Which one is more accurate? Screw gauge is more accurate. That means it can measure extra 1 digit compared to the vernier calipers. So vernier calipers, what is the basic measurement? So we can measure up to 2 digits, and by using screw gauge we can up to measure 3 digits. That is the basic difference between vernier calipers and screw gauge. Now, so here only one formula is there to remember that one. Just go through that one. Least count formula. So what is meant by least count? Least count of a screw gauge is given by the equation least count equal to pitch of the screw by number of divisions on circular scale. Pitch of the screw by number of divisions on circular scale. Now, what are the different parts of screw gauge? First, let me explain about different parts of the screw gauge. Now, so this is the screw gauge diagram. What are the different parts? Check it once. So here, what are the different parts? So any readings are there? Scales are there? Check it. Check this diagram once. So any scales are there or not? So two different scales are there, na? So here two different scales are there. Check this diagram. So this is the main scale. This one is the main scale. This one is circular scale. This is circular scale. This one main scale. Only two scales are there. One is main scale, other one is a circular scale. Now, what are the different parts? So these two are called studs. These two are called studs. So this is a main scale. This one is circular scale. Only these parts are there. Now, so what about readings on circular scale? How many readings are there? Check this once. On circular scale, how many readings are there? So it starts from 0, na? 0, 5, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, so up to 95 and 0 again. So that means 100 readings are there. On circular scale, 100 readings are there. So some few screw gauges are having 100 scale reading. Few screw gauges or some screw gauges are having only 50 readings are there. So check this one, sir. So this is having only 50 scale. It's having only 50 readings. Check it once. So it starts from 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 0 again. That means it is having only 50 readings on circular scale. So some circular scale, few circular scale having 100 readings. Some of them are having 50 readings also. So two types of scales are there. Now, so what about horizontal scale? That is main scale. What is the reading of that main scale? So these are millimeter readings only. So each line represents 1 millimeter. This is 0. After that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. So all these are in millimeters only. So this is a millimeter scale. So what about readings? What is the unit of the reading? Millimeter only. Main scale reading millimeters only. So here check this one. So what is the reading of this one? Can you identify the reading? So how many lines are appearing here on main scale? 0, after that 1 and 2. So main scale reading is 2. Main scale reading is how much? 2 only. So 0 line. So you are able to view 0 line, first line, second line. So main scale reading is 2. Next, circular scale reading. So exactly the line matches with this one. That is the circular scale reading. So which number that is matches with the horizontal line? 33. So this one. So this is 30, 31, 32, 33. So 33 is the circular scale reading. So only these we are able to measure only these values only. మనం ఏం మెజర్ చేయగలం? Only these two values only. For example, just place one object here then. So here without object this horizontal line coincides with 0. So that indicates that this is errorless. This instrument is not having any error. This is errorless instrument. So when we need to conclude like that, horizontal line matches with 0 without any object, then we can conclude that that is not having any error, no error. Now, so just place this object here. Now what is the reading? What is the main scale reading? 1. 1 is the main scale reading. So remaining point you will get with this circular scale. So 1 is the reading, the main scale reading is 1 only. Next one. So 25 is the circular scale reading. So only we are able to measure these two only by using screw gauge. Only we can measure only these two values. So is the values are clear or not? Now coming to least count. So how you are going to measure least count of that instrument or screw gauge? So for least count, we need to follow basic formula. What is the formula for least count? So pitch of the screw by least count formula is equal to pitch of the screw by. So number of divisions on circular scale. Number of divisions on circular scale. So check this diagram. What is meant by pitch of the screw? So what is meant by pitch of the screw? What is meant by pitch of the screw? So pitch of the screw is nothing but a distance traveled on main scale for one complete rotation of the circular scale. So if you complete one rotation per circular scale, the distance traveled on horizontal scale or main scale is nothing but pitch of the screw. So that is the other definition also there. That is the distance between consecutive lines of the main scale. Simply pitch of the screw is nothing but distance between these two lines. Distance between two consecutive lines of that main scale, or the distance traveled by the screw gauge in one complete rotation. Now, so this definition is clear. Pitch of the screw means that is the consecutive distance between consecutive lines in the main scale. Now, so here main scale readings are there. Distance between these two adjacent or consecutive lines is the pitch of the screw. That is one definition. Other definition, that is the distance traveled by the instrument in one complete rotation. Now let me explain that one. So without object 0 coincides, there is no error. Now try to rotate once. (25, 30, 35, 40, 45). So again it comes to 0. Zero means how many lines we are able to view? So how many lines we are able to view? See, if I complete one rotation, check it once, how many lines we are able to view with this one? So just after this one, we are able to view one line. So check this one here. Just I am taking screw gauge with 100 circular scale readings. Now, so without object, 0 coincides. Next, so just let me complete one rotation. Just after this is 0, other line is there. So that so if it reaches 0, then how many lines we are able to view? Exactly one line. One line. So reading is 1 mm. So this is the distance traveled in one rotation. So how much distance it traveled? 1 mm. For one rotation it travels 1 mm. So that 1 mm is the pitch of the screw. So here two definitions are there for pitch of the screw. One is that is the distance between adjacent or consecutive lines on the main scale. That is one definition. Other definition that is the distance traveled in one rotation or one complete rotation. Now check it once. Check the second definition. First definition means simply that is the distance between these two. Distance between these two is the pitch of the screw. Now according to second definition, pitch of the screw is nothing but, so that is the distance between distance traveled by the circular scale in one rotation. Check it once. So here let me complete one rotation. So if it reaches 0, then it completes one rotation. So it completes one rotation. One rotation. So how much distance it traveled? So from 0 to 1 it reaches. Na? So it starts from 0 and reaches 1. So that it travels only 1 meter, 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 millimeter it travels. So pitch of the screw is how much? 1 mm is the pitch of the screw. That is the formula. So what is the formula for pitch of the screw? Distance traveled in one complete rotation, or that is the distance between adjacent lines or consecutive lines. That is the basic definition. Least count formula, pitch of the screw by number of rotations. Pitch of the screw by number of readings on circular scale. Number of readings on circular scale. So that is the formula. Only one formula is there. So here you need to know pitch of the screw only. So there is a confusion in the pitch of the screw. If you know that one, then this one is completed. Now, so go through the topic once. What is the basic formula? Least count formula is so pitch of the screw by number of rotations. Pitch of the screw by number of rotations. Next, number of divisions on circular scale, not rotations. Number of divisions on circular scale. Now, what is meant by pitch of the screw? That is the distance between the adjacent sides or the linear distance moved by the screw in one rotation. That is the distance moved by the screw in one rotation, or other definition, that is the distance between two consecutive threads of that screw gauge or consecutive lines of that screw gauge. So these are the basic definition to identify least count. Write down this one. Screw gauge, first formula, least count. Least count, that is denoted by LC. Least count formula is pitch of the screw by number of divisions on circular scale. Write down this one. Pitch of the screw is nothing but first definition, linear distance moved by the screw in one complete rotation. Write down that one in simple format. horizontal distance or linear distance moved by the screw in one complete rotation. Write down like that. Next, second definition, the distance between two consecutive threads. So screw gauge to screw gauge, the number of circular scale reading will change, and the horizontal scale readings also change. It may change. So అంటే screw gauge కి circular scale readings different ఉండొచ్చు, horizontal scale readings division కూడా different ఉండొచ్చు. ఒక్కొక్క దానికి 1 mm డివిజన్ ఉంటుంది horizontal scale లో, ఒక దానికి 0.5 mm కి డివిజన్ ఉంటుంది. సో థ్రెడ్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5 అలా కూడా ఉంటాయి. కొన్ని వాటికి ఎలా ఉంటాయి 0, 1, 2, 3 అలా ఉంటాయి. అది ఫిక్స్డ్ కాదు, అది ఒక్కో దాన్ని బట్టి ఒక్కోలా ఉంటుంది. అందుకని మనం ఫార్ములా రాస్తున్నాం. ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ అనుకోండి, ఇంక ఈ పిచ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్క్రూ 1 mm రాసేసుకోవచ్చు డైరెక్ట్ గా. అది ఫిక్స్డ్ కాదు కాబట్టి సో ఫార్ములా ఉందన్నమాట. ఇది క్లియర్ అన్నమాట. ఇది అర్థమైందా లేదా? నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మెయిన్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్ అంటే, సో ఏ లైన్ అయితే కనిపిస్తుందో అదే మెయిన్ స్కేలింగ్. 0 కనిపిస్తే 0నే రాస్తాం, 1 కనిపిస్తే 1 రాస్తాం, 2 కనిపిస్తే 2 రాస్తాం. సో ఏది మనం క్లియర్ గా విజిబిలిటీ ఉందో అదే రాస్తాం. అంతేగాని 1 కి 2 కి మధ్యలో ఉందని 1.5 రాయమని. ఆ 0.5 ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తుంది? సర్క్యులర్ స్కేల్ రీడింగ్ నుంచి వచ్చేస్తుంది ఆ 0.5. మనం సెపరేట్ గా రాయక్కర్లేదు. నెక్స్ట్, what are the different parts of the screw gauge? These two are studs and this is the main scale. This one is the circular scale. So that is called ratchet. So ratchet, with the help of that one only we need to move. We need to rotate. So ikkada pattukoni rotate cheyali, deen pattukoni rotate cheyakoodu. So these are the different parts. So check this diagram once. Here he mentioned 25 into 1 mm. 25 into 1 mm. That means
main scale reading 25 millimeter.
so main scale reading is 25 millimeter and each reading is each line is 1 mm. Next, coming to the errors. So for example, assume that the screw gauge is having some error. Then how you are going to identify whether that is a positive error or negative error? That means we need to add some value or we need to subtract some value if it is having some error. So error unde em cheyali manam aithe add cheyali ledante subtract cheyalsi vastadi. So errors gurinchi kuda telusukovali. Now, so what are the different types of errors? So here positive 0 error, negative 0 error also there, and no error condition also there. So let me explain that one with the help of diagram. So here 0 line exactly matches with the horizontal line of the main scale, so that we can conclude that this is not having any error, no error, no 0 error. We need to call it as no 0 error. Now next one, if it is having some error, then we need to write that one as so once you hear that tick mark, you need to stop that one. Are you able to hear that sound or not? So normal screw gauge also that will make that like that sound only. So if you hear that one, then we need to stop. Now, so here check this, check the reading once. Is the 0 on circular scale matches with the horizontal scale? No. So that we need to conclude that that is having some error. This is having some error. So instead of 0, how much that is showing? How much that is showing? 15. That is showing 15. That means that is showing extra or not? So instead of 0, that is showing 15. So that is showing some extra reading. That means we need to conclude that one as we need to subtract this much value from the final reading. So it is showing extra, so that we need to remove that extra part. So that we need to subtract. So this error is called positive error. Positive 0 error. This error is called positive 0 error. So for positive 0 error, we need to subtract. So reverse process we need to do. If it is positive error, we need to subtract. If it is negative error, we need to add. So our general mathematical rule, this is showing extra, so that we need to subtract. Next one. So if it is having some negative error, then check it once. Now instead of 0, it is showing 85. That means how much is the difference? Instead of 0, it is showing 85. So that so there is a difference in 15 digits. Is this clear or not? No. So is it showing extra? No. So instead of 0, that is showing 85 only. So that this is called negative error. This is called negative error. So or in other way we can write this one as. So assume that this is x-axis. So this one is positive side or negative side? Positive side. This one is negative side. Like that also we can explain. So above 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Here, so 90, 99, 98, 97, 96 like that. So if the horizontal axis coincides with these values, that is negative error. If the horizontal axis coincides with these values, then that is positive error. Simply we can remember like that. Now, so if it is a positive error, then we need to subtract. If it is a negative error, we need to add. Now, so above the horizontal line, if the reading is above the horizontal line, that is which error? Positive error. So below the horizontal line means this one, 98 to 95 like that, up to 50. So that is a negative error. So we need to conclude errors like this. So error అనేది గుర్తుండాల్సిందే. Simple error అనేది simple. So we need to finalize whether we need to subtract or add. We need to finalize that one based on the given error. Now check the original diagram once. Check these diagrams once. First diagram indicates that is having a no zero error. We need to call error as a zero error. Name of that error is zero error. So no error for this one. So that we need to call it as no zero error. No zero error. Next, here instead of 0, it is showing 2. Instead of 0, it is showing 2. So that we need to call it as positive zero error. So how much is the difference? 2. That means we need to add or subtract. Subtract this error. Next, this one. Instead of 0, it is showing 46. Instead of 0, it is showing 46. So what is the difference? How many digits are difference? 4 digits. So we need to, this is a negative zero error and we need to add this error. We need to add. So these are the errors. So if you know this concept, then this is very easy. So least count calculation and this one. Only two concepts are there. Mean scale reading is general only. No need to worry about that. So is the concept is clear or not? So no zero error means if the horizontal line coincides with the 0 on circular scale, then we can conclude that that is a no zero error. Now horizontal scale matches with 0 to 50 or 0 to 5, 0 to 10 like that. Then that is a positive error. Next, this one. If it is matches with 45, 46 or 95, 96, 97 like that, then that is a negative zero error. For this one, we need to add. For this one, we need to subtract. So these are the different possible errors in that screw gauge. Copy this one. Errors. You have to draw the diagram also. Make a side heading as errors. So easy enough. Draw cheyadam kuda easy. So first ila horizontal gain box. Next, so again. Good readings. Is zero line. Horizontal line raste chalu zero line. Exactly zero aithe no error. Next diagram lo same తీసేసి ఈ జీరో బదులు 2 3 రాయండి. 2 3 4 1 0. Next, check this diagram once. So which error is this one? First diagram. This one. Zero error. This one. Positive error or negative error? Positive error. It is showing 7, na? So positive error. This one. So instead of 0, it is showing 47 or 48. 48 it's showing. So negative error. How much is the negative error? 2. 2. So we need to multiply least count also. 2 is the error and we need to multiply that one with a least count. That is the final error. Next. So try to solve this one. So this is a previous year NEET, 2020 NEET question. A screw gauge has a least count of 0.01 mm and there are 50 divisions in its circular scale. Then pitch of the screw is 0.5. So what is the formula for least count? So least count formula is pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Na? So least count is given as 0.01 mm. Now pitch of the screw is how much? So we need to calculate that one. Na? Number of divisions on circular scale 50. So cross multiply. So pitch of the screw is nothing but 0.5 mm. So sometimes 0.1 also there, 1 mm also there, 1 mm or 0.5 mm, 0.25 mm also there. Pitch of the screw. So generally 0.5 and 1. 1 mm and 0.5 is the general one. Next. So previous year, this is also previous year NEET only. A student measured diameter of a small steel ball using screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. This is a least count. And main scale reading is a 5 mm. This is a main scale reading. Next. And 0 of the circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions. And above the reference level, if screw gauge has a 0 error of 0.004 centimeter, then what is the correct diameter of the ball? Now, so first we need to know what is the total reading. How you are going to measure total reading? Total reading of that particular object. So formula for total reading is total reading equal to main scale reading. Main scale reading, simply we can call it as MSR plus least count into circular scale reading. Plus or minus error. We need to write a plus or minus error. Plus or minus 0 error. So this is the formula for total reading. Write down. Total reading equal to main scale reading plus least count into circular scale reading plus or minus 0 error. So total reading equal to main scale reading MSR plus least count into circular scale reading CSR plus or minus 0 error. So what is the main scale reading? 5 mm. So total reading equal to main scale reading is 5 mm plus least count 0.001 centimeters is there. Centimeters into circular scale reading 25 divisions. Now, so error is there minus 0.004 centimeter. So that means we need to add or subtract. We need to add. This is a negative error. Na? Negative error means we need to add. Positive error means we need to subtract. So we need to add 0.004. This is also in centimeter. So try to convert this one in terms. Try to write this one in terms of centimeter. That is in millimeter. Na? So write down this one in terms of centimeter. So this is a 0.5 centimeter plus how much is this one? 0.025 plus 0.004. Now add all these three: 0.5, 0.025, 0.004. So first write like this, after that add. So same digits we need to add. That means same decimal points. So 0 and 0. Now 9, 2, 5. 0.529 centimeter. 0.529 centimeter. Simple. Calculation is very simple, but you need to know the terms. So what is main scale leading? What is circular scale leading? What is the error? If you know all these, then it is very easy. JEE sum 2020. Now what we need to calculate? Finalize that one. So screw gauge has 50 divisions on circular scale. So that means number of divisions on circular scale is how many? 50. Now circular scale is 4 units ahead of the pitch scale. Circular scale is 4 units ahead of the pitch scale, making prior to use. So what is meant by prior to use? That means before placing the object, measurement is 4. Before placing the object, measurement is 4 units ahead of the 0. Next one. Upon one complete rotation of the circular scale, displacement is 0.5 mm. So for one rotation, what is the distance traveled? 0.5 mm. That means this is the pitch of the screw. So this is number of circular scale divisions. Next one. The nature of zero error involved. That means we need to identify that error is positive or negative. Zero error involved means we need to identify that error is a zero error or positive error or negative error. We need to identify. Next one. And the least count of the screw gauge. We need to identify two quantities. One is which type of error. Other one is least quantity. Now, which type of error is that one? So that is 4 division ahead of 0. Na? So that is positive error. So with positive, 3 options are there. So this one is a wrong one. Now, so finalize least count. Least count formula. So pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Now what is the value of pitch of the screw? 0.5 mm. By circular scale divisions are 50 or 0.1 by 10 or 0.01 mm. Can I write like this? So if the option is there or not? 0.01 mm. 0.1 mm. So this is wrong. So here 0.1 micrometer, 10 micrometer. That means you need to convert that one into, you need to write that one in terms of micrometers. 0.01 milli means 10 power minus 3 meter. 1 milli means 10 power minus 3. Next. So 0.01 can be written as 10 power minus 2. Remaining as it is. So total 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5. But micro means 10 power minus 6. Na? So can I write this one as 10 into 10 power minus 6? Just multiply these two, then you will get this one. So 10 power minus 6 meter is nothing but micrometer. So 10 micrometer is the answer. Option B is the correct one. So only least count here we calculated. Pitch of the screw by number of divisions only. Now rear in this one for micrometer, that is based on the final answer. So final answer base చేసుకొని చేంజ్ చేయాలి అంతే. ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ లో మిల్లీమీటర్ ఉంటే 0.01 మిల్లీమీటర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడమే. లేదు కాబట్టి మార్చాం. నీట్ కింద వరకు ఉండదు అసలు, అక్కడతో కట్ చేస్తాడు. Okay. Previous JEE is only. So can you identify reading of this one? This is not having any error, no error, zero error. Just let me place this one. Identify the reading of this one. What is the main scale reading? So how many digits are you able to use? 1. So after 0, 1 we are able to use. So that the main scale reading is 1. So MSR equal to 1. Next. So number of least count. We need to calculate least count. So number of circular scale readings or circular scale divisions. How many are there? So 60, 65 also are able to use or not? So it may be 100. Check it once. 90, 95 also there, na? So 100 readings are there. Now each digit is a 1 mm. So least count is, what is the value of least count? Least count is equal to pitch of the screw by number of divisions. That is 1 mm by number of divisions are 100. So 0.001. 0.001 or 01? 0.01 mm. That is the least count. Now total reading formula. Main scale reading plus least count into circular scale readings plus or minus 0 error. So there is no 0 error, no? So that this is 0 only. Now substitute main scale reading is 1 mm plus the least count is 0.01 mm into circular scale reading is how much? Circular scale reading. Is it 100? So check this reading once. So for horizontal line 50 reading is there, na? So that circular scale reading is 50. Circular scale divisions are 100. Circular scale reading is 50 only. So this is circular scale divisions, not reading. Now, rearrange this one. So 1 plus 0.550. That equal to 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm. So in screw gauge you will get an answer in generally in millimeter. In vernier calipers you will get in centimeters. So 1.5 mm. Check the reading once. So this is 1.5 mm. So main scale reading is how much? 1 mm. So circular scale reading 0.5 mm. After multiplication of least count, 50 circular scale division coincides. Na? So 50 into least count. So 0.5 mm. This one. Is the reading is clear or not? Are you able to? Can you get these readings? So readings తీసుకోగలరా? So only 2 readings, main scale reading and circular scale reading. Only 2 readings are there in the screw gauge concept. So but you need to know errors. So whether it is positive error or negative error or 0 error, we need to finalize. If you know that one, then this is very easy concept. Only confusion is in errors only. So errors only confusion untadi. Migilina confusion em undadu. Right? Is this clear or not? Just go through the next example. Write down this example. If the screw on a screw gauge is given 6 rotations, it moves by 3 mm on the main scale. If there are 50 divisions on the circular scale, the least count of the screw gauge is. So what we need to identify? Least count. What is the basic formula for least count? Pitch of the screw by number of circular scale divisions. Circular scale divisions. So what is the value of pitch there?
0.50.
0.5. But here we gave 3 mm. Na? What is the answer? So here 6 rotations. For 6 rotations it traveled 3 mm. But pitch is nothing but distance traveled in 1 rotation. For 6 rotations it traveled 3 mm means for 1 rotation how much it need to travel? 0.5 mm or 3 by 6 rotations 0.5. So it need to travel 0.5 mm for each rotation. For 6 rotation it travel 3 mm means for each rotation that need to travel 0.5 mm. So that pitch is nothing but 0.5 mm. Where circular scale divisions are 50 circular scale divisions are there. So 0.1 by 10, can I write like this? Cancel 5. That equal to 0.01 mm.
0.001 centimeter.
So with this option, any option is there with this answer? No. Try to convert this one in terms of meters, centimeters. Extra 0 we need to place after decimal point. To convert into centimeter, we need to place an extra 0 after decimal point. So 0.001 centimeter. Try to solve this one. The least count of main scale of a screw gauge is 1 mm. The minimum number of divisions on circular scale required to measure 5 micrometer diameter of a pipe. This is not direct formula, so just go through that one. Read once again. Least count of a main scale. So here what is given? Least count of a main scale of a screw gauge is given as 1 mm. The minimum number of divisions on the circular scale to measure required to measure 5 micrometer diameter wide. That means what we need to calculate? Number of divisions on circular scale we need to calculate. That is our aim. So what we need to calculate? Number of divisions on circular scale. So use that data and try to calculate that one. So what is the least count? 1 millimeter. But we need to measure 5 micrometer. That means less than that least count. Less than that least count we need to measure. What is meant by least count? What is meant by least count? Least count and there is a least possible value measured by that instrument. Is it correct or not? So but we need to measure less than the least count value, that is less than the least count. That means we need to increase number of circular scale divisions in that case. Then we can measure. Now, so what are the number of circular scale divisions? What is the formula for least count? Least count formula is so least count equal to pitch of the screw by circular scale divisions. Circular scale division, number of circular scale divisions. Now, so here 5 micrometer and 1 mm, two quantities are there. We need to identify number of divisions. This one we need to identify. Rearrange this one. So number of circular scale divisions equal to pitch of the screw by least count. Now, what is pitch of the screw? 1 mm. Na? So that means it can travel only 1 mm. Least count is given, but he said that least count, but it can travel only 1 mm. That means pitch of the screw is 1 mm. So what is the least possible value we need to measure? 5 micrometer. Take that one as a least count. 5 into 10 power minus 6. Least count means that is the least possible value that can be measured. Na? So just I am taking this one as a least count. So 1 mm means 10 power minus 3 meter. This one 5 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Now, so 10 power 3 by 5 or 1000 by 5 is equal to 200. So number of divisions required is 200. Just we need to reverse that. Generally, you are taking 5 by 1 mm. Maybe you are taking like that. So this would answer or 5 by 1 is 5 micrometer by 1 mm is as answer. Just then reverse check. అంటే జేఈలోనే ఎలాంటి అడిగాడంటే మనం ఇంకా ఈజీగా నాకు అడుగుతారు తప్ప డిఫికల్ట్ అడగదు. ఇది చేస్తే చాలు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కనుక ప్రిపేర్ అయితే కొత్త ఏం ఉండదు అసలు. లీస్ట్ కౌంట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నారు లేదా? అదే ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ లీస్ట్ కౌంట్. This is also previous JE. So read that question and answer that one. The pitch and number of divisions on circular scale of the given screw gauge is 0.5 mm and 100 respectively. So pitch of the screw is how much? 0.5 mm. Circular scale readings are, circular scale divisions are 100 are there. So from that one we can calculate least count. Na? Least count equal to 0.5 by 100. 0.005 mm is the least count. Is this clear? Next one. Go through the next one. When the screw gauge is fully tightened, then without any object, the zero of the circular scale lies 3 divisions below the mean line. Without any object that lies 3 divisions below the mean line. That means that is positive error or negative error? Negative error. Negative 3. So negative error means we need to add. We need to add. Now, next one. Reading on the main scale and circular scale are given by 5.5 mm. Main scale reading is MSR is 5.5 and reading on the circular scale is 48. Circular scale reading is 48. Now, what is the total reading? Thickness of the object is nothing but total reading. Now, so total reading formula?
Yes, sir.
Main scale reading plus least count into
Yes, sir.
circular scale reading
Sir.
plus or minus. This is also least count into coincidence. We need to multiply this one with least count, this one also with least count. Now, so main scale reading is how much? 5.5 plus least count is how much? 0.005 into circular scale reading 48. Next, for error we need to add or subtract? Plus least count 0.005 into 3. So or directly we can subtract from this. You can add from this. We can add to that one. So దీనికి యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు లేదంటే దీన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి చేసేయచ్చు. రీడింగ్ 48 ఇచ్చాడు. నాకు డైరెక్ట్ గా కావాలంటే ఇది ఎర్రర్ తీసేసి we can write that one as 5.5 plus 0.005 into 48 plus 3. దేనికి యాడ్ చేయాలి మనం? సర్క్యులర్ స్కేల్ డివిజన్స్ కి యాడ్ చేసుకోవాలి లేదంటే సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. అలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. సింపుల్ గా కావాలంటే ఇలా రాయాలి. మనం ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేయాలి? యాడ్ చేయాల్సిన నెంబర్ కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాల్సింది కానీ సర్క్యులర్ స్కేల్ డివిజన్స్ కి యాడ్ చేయడం కానీ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడం కానీ చేయండి. అంతే. ఎంత అవుతుంది? 51. 5.5 plus 0.005 into 50. 525. So how many zeros are there? 3 digits. 0. So add these. So 5.5. Next 0.255. Add these. 5, 5, 7, 5. 5.755. So here is one now. How many is there? Zero of the circular scale lies 3 divisions below. Zero of the circular scale lies 3 divisions below. So check that one once. Check the is the same or not? Zero of the circular scale lies 3 digits below. That means which error is that one? Positive error. That is a positive error. So that we need to subtract that one. So we need to subtract this one. Minus 48 minus 3, 45. 45. 45 into 0.05. 125 na? 225. 225. That means 5.725 millimeter. 5.725. అదే ఆ ఎర్రరే మెయిన్ అండి, ఎర్రరే ఆన్సర్ మార్చేస్తుంది. సో 0 లైస్ బిలో అంటే పాజిటివ్ ఎర్రర్ వెళ్తుంది, 0 లైస్ అబౌవ్ అంటే నెగిటివ్ ఎర్రర్.